Now we'll be going through the Magento 2 Multi-Vendor Marketplace custom attribute plugin basically. And this plugin allows the store admin to create a custom attribute from the admin panel and can then select them to display or hide on the storefront, and the marketplace vendors would then be able to use those attributes during the product upload, and those attributes are then displayed on the seller's product page. So right now you can see that I'm on one of the products of the marketplace vendors, and here you can see that here we have the tier pricing, as you can see. So it's a custom what we say as attribute. Apart from that, the customers can navigate to the more information section to check the custom attributes of the product, like the product manufacturer, custom width, product length, maybe color is there, whether this product is washable or not. It depends upon the created custom attributes from the backend and the ones that have been enabled by the web store admin. And before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, do give it a thumbs up if you like this particular video to give us a boost in our morale. Now first of all, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you how we can add the custom attributes to the products from the vendor end, and apart from that, how we can initially create the custom attributes in the last. But before that, I've told you that this is the tier pricing, that's the custom attribute visible. Under the more information as well, we have the custom attribute on the product page itself. Now how would the a seller be able to add the custom attributes to the products? So for that, he'll have to go to the edit product page or to a already created product as well, and then he can choose the options or the data for the custom options there. Now apart from that, as we know that the customers can also make use of the custom attributes for searching the product. So for example, if the customer uses a custom attribute like the color or the color option for searching all of the products that are having that particular color, then the items would then be displayed to the customer in the same. So here you can see that Adidas is basically a custom attribute that I've created. That's the Adidas here, and I've searched for Adidas, and now basically using this custom attribute option, I've searched for all of the products that are having Adidas as their manufacturer. So if I go to this particular product, let me open that up. So here under the more information of this particular product, you can see that the product manufacturer is Adidas. So similarly, if we would have an option like is it a washable or not. If I would have searched for washable, then only the products having that washable custom attribute there would be visible to the customers on the search page. So the products are searchable using the custom attributes as well on the search page. Now apart from that, on the layered navigation, the customers can also make use of the custom attribute options to search the products in the navigation there. And for example, you can see that I've shopped by color. I've chosen the color as white, so all of the products having the custom attribute as color white would be displayed here. So if we open this particular product, it would have the color white custom attribute there. Now I can just clear it out, and similarly I can make use of the other custom attributes there to filter out the products, like the product manufacturer, as I've already shown you. According to color we can do that, according to size as well, and the price is already there itself. So for example, if I go to color and I choose silver, then the products having the custom attribute silver would be brought up, as you can see. So now we are shopping by silver. So that's how with using the layered navigation, the customers can basically use the custom attributes to search the products within the same. Now the products with the custom options are also comparable at front end, and for that, and using the custom attributes, the customers can basically check the different custom attributes there, and they can have the option that allows them to compare the products. As you can see here, we have the SKU, description, manufacturer, color, cash on delivery or not. So here we can see that we have used the custom attributes to compare the product on the compare products page as well. Also note that this particular plugin supports the multi-store feature, so the customers can see the attribute option names. Can basically the attribute option names would change according to the stores there. So here you can see that we have the color as black, and if I now check it in French, it's color, and the name of the color is there as well. Now let's see how the vendors can assign the created custom attributes that have been enabled for display at the front end. So for that, we'll just go to a new product. We'll create a new product. We can do that on an already created product as well. So we'll just tap here on the continue button to reach the add new product page of the marketplace. And here, if I scroll down, you'll be able to see that we have the tier pricing. That are the custom options. So here we have the custom options. All right, I'm sorry for that. Let me remove that up. So here you can see that we have the custom option, that's the color. We have the cash on delivery option that we had shown you there. We also have the product manufacturer, the product length, the custom width. So from here the vendors can choose the appropriate custom attributes and can choose the values for the same for the products that they're going to upload within the marketplace itself. And after the creation of these attributes, all of these attributes, if enabled and displayed, enabled to display here, would be visible to the vendors while they are trying to create a new product. Similarly for the already created products as well. So if I go to my product list and I edit one of the products there, we'll still be able to see the same. So if I tap here on the men's jeans and tap on the edit link under the actions column here, and then if I scroll down on this particular section here, so you can see that we have the custom options to choose for the already created products as well. And from here we can set the product manufacturer, product length, or whatever the custom attributes you have created. For example, whether this particular jeans is a washable or not, we can have a yes or a no option for that. So that's how the vendors can make use of the custom attributes at the end for their product while they're uploading it to the marketplace itself. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see how this particular plugin can be used, or how it can be configured in the initial place, and the rest of the workflow as well. So I've just logged into my admin backend panel, and first of all we'll have to create the attributes. To create an attribute, we have to follow the default Magento workflow, and we'll be navigating through stores, attributes, and then products, stores, attributes, and then product. So we'll just tap on that, and from here we can add new attributes. And here if I go, you can see the cash on delivery attribute is there. We have the color. All right, let me go back, and the other ones as well. So here we have the custom length, custom width. All right, the same that we were doing just in a while from now. And here we have the country of manufacturer, the commission for the product, color options, amenities. So to add a new attribute, just tap here on the add new attribute button. Now we'll set up the attribute information like the default label, the input type we can choose as text field, text area, editor, date, yes, no, whether you want to have it as values required or not. Then you have this option here, and thereafter you can go to the manage labels section, and you can choose the storefront properties for this particular product attribute that you're going to create. And now let's go back to the properties here, and so let me set up the default label washable. I'll set the input type as yes or no, and I'll choose the values required as yes. And let's tap here on the save attribute button now. So I've just created again, and after entering the attribute properties here, you can navigate to the manage labels, fill these details, then go to the storefront properties, using search, set it as yes, visible advanced search, comparable on storefront end, use in layered navigation, choose yes, and this as yes as well. Thereafter just tap here on the save attribute. Now the attribute has been created. Now to assign the attribute to the attribute set, we'll navigate through stores, and then we'll just go to attributes and attribute sets. So this custom attribute can be added to a attribute set. For example, if we are creating it for clothing, and we have a clothing or we have a jeans section, we have the different attributes or the attribute set for that jeans there, then we can add this particular set to that as well. So from here we'll be adding the attribute set, and or we can also choose any of the attribute sets. So for example, if I choose the default attribute set, so here we'll be able to drag and drop the created custom attributes that we've created. So here we'll find all of those attributes as well. So here you can see the custom attributes out there, and what I'll do is for this particular attribute set, here's our washable and washable V. I'll take that up, and I'll just drop that up here, and I'll just tap here on the save button. So that was how we can assign a created attribute to attribute set. Now let's see how we can manage the custom attribute. So we'll go to marketplace management, and here we'll go to manage custom attributes. That's here, manage custom attribute, and from here we can enable or disable any of the created attributes that we've created. So from the drop down, you can hide from the front end, we can show in the front end as per your own requirement. So if I choose this manufacturer, I can choose it to hide from the front end or show in the front end. So show in the front end is yes. If I choose hide from front end, it would be hidden from the front end itself. So you can see that it has been disabled. No for the manufacturer there. Let's enable that up once again. So it's enabled now, as you can see. So it says enabled. So that was much about the plugin itself, and I hope it helped you in understanding the flow of this particular plugin. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidus.com, or you can also reach out to us via our contact link. That's www.webkul.com/contact. And once again, thanks for watching this particular video.